All right, hello there. My name is Shadrach Dadagbo. I am a finance professional. Over 13 years experience. My background is accounting. I'm a chartered accountant, and I am currently the head of financial planning and analysis at Mixstar Africa. Um, I heard about the FMA scholarship via a colleague. Um, she had done a program with dbrown and told me about an opportunity to get the FMA certification and via a scholarship. And I'd always known about the FMA certification and how it is recognized worldwide. So it was a no-brainer for me. So I signed up. So I decided to join basically what I said earlier. It's a um, worldwide recognized certification. I knew it would be something that would add value to my skills and to my career at large. So that is why I joined. What has stood out for me during the program so far is quite interactive, it's been quite insightful. I've always done financial modeling, but I knew I needed to improve on my skills. I knew I needed to learn best practices and basically standardization, of my knowledge and skills. And that is what I have learned so far at the Brown. Best practices, what is obtainable everywhere else, and I can tell you that my skills has improved greatly. What has changed for me so far is that my presentation of my models has improved greatly. I mean, your model is nothing really if it is not speaking to the people it is meant and prepared for, So the program at Brown has really helped to sharpen my presentation skills, sharpen my Excel skills. I mean, I know a lot more Excel shortcuts now. And the fact that it has been very interactive, especially during the Saturday sessions, where questions are answered in a clear manner. So whether you're an accountant or a non-accountant, I can tell that the instructors have carried everyone along and improved our knowledge generally. So would I recommend this program to somewhere else? Of course, I said earlier that the program speaks to both accountants and non-accountants, and so whether you have an accounting background or not, it really doesn't matter, because the videos were curated to speak to the fact that to speak to everyone wherever. It doesn't matter the level that you're at, and again, they're self-paced, so you can always go back and play it, practice on your own until you perfect your skills. So thank you.